My name is Gina. Thank you for stopping by today, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for choosing to stop by and check us out. Hope to see you here again. And for those of you who are returning to check us out once again, thank you. Thanks for checking us out, seeing exactly what we got going on. Well, before we jump into today's video, I'd like to encourage you to hit that little button right there if you're new, or if you haven't subscribed before but just been coming around and checking us out. Hit that button right there. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd love to have you. And after you see this video, go ahead, like if you like it, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Now, today's video is, ignore this right here, I just had to take the label off, okay? The shipping label. Today's video is the July 2018 Onyxbox. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Onyxbox, it is a monthly subscription for all things beautiful with melanin in it. That's what this is about. And the price of this box is $25 per month, and it can include anything from hair to makeup to beauty. All things that keep us looking fly, doing what we do, okay? So, this lovely symbol right here is called the Empatipo symbol, and it is a sign of peace and unity. Now, on the side of each box, of course, they have a wonderful statement that says, "Our monthly celebration unites all skin tones and hair textures to discover the joy in Black beauty. We see you. We are with you. We are Onyx." Okay? All things for the woman with a little bit of melanin going on in their skin. So when we open up each box, of course, we have these beautiful shades that are us. Okay, representing them all. And we also get in each box a description card with this beautiful artwork. Okay, every month it's a different one. One of these times I'm just going to pull out all of the different description cards that we've had and show you what the artwork looks like. Okay, well, this month, as I said, is July 2018, and this is the travel series. Now, last month was the beginning of the travel series, so this is part 2. Okay, and the title for this box is the Jet Setter. See that right there? And it says, vacation mode is still in full effect here at Onyxbox. This month, we're sharing some of our favorite travel tips that will make you the beauty guru of every girl's trip you take this summer, all in TS approved sizes. So, what are you waiting for? Zip up your carry-on and let's go. Okay, so let's check our description card and see what our products are. Okay, well, the very first one in this beautiful box right here is by the Zajaya company, and it says it is the acai, as my daughter calls it, but it's the acai berry regenerating face and neck cream. Okay, so that one would actually be this one. Okay, now I'm sorry, the ring lights are kind of washing it out a little bit, but that's what this one looks like, and it's actually a beautiful blue color on this box. Okay, and it says, travel tip number 1. Just because you're headed out of town doesn't mean your skincare routine should take a vacation. This moisturizing acai berry cream aids in the prevention of wrinkles, strengthens the skin, and alleviates irritation, leaving your complexion radiant and healthy. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this product is $12.99, and this says antioxidization. How about that? And it says dull, slack, and sensitive skin. Okay, and it's against tech neck effect. Face and neck cream, nourishing and regenerating, reduces skin dryness. And that's what this is right here. And that's product number 1. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $12.99. Tip number 2 involves this product right here. Okay. All right, and this one is for flabby, dull, and sensitive skin. And this one is the Express Face and Neck Serum. And it says, travel tip number 2, don't forget to protect your neck. We spend a lot of time caring for our face while often neglecting the neck. This serum smooths, intensely moisturizes, and strengthens the skin. After cleansing, instantly absorbs into skin to even out tone and provide a healthy, radiant glow. And this is the Express Face and Neck Serum for smoothing and firming. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this product is also $12.99. Now, just in case I didn't tell you, the cost of this box each month is $25. Well, we've just about knocked out the full price for this particular box. The next product that we have is by the company Bella Pierre, and it says it's a nail polish. Okay, and it's wrapped in this. So let's just see exactly. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful color. Okay, I'm gonna have to hide this from my daughter. Okay, here we go. Right there. Okay, and this says travel tip number 3. Never go anywhere without a fresh paint job. Okay? Nothing gets you more vacation ready than a good mani-pedi. We choose a summer-ready nail polish with an innovative, nail-friendly formula that nourishes the nails while providing an even coverage of color that lasts. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price on this bottle is $15. Yes, the box is now completely paid for. All right, now moving right along, the next product we have is by Star Looks Cosmetics. Now, this says it could be one of 2 products. So, let's just open it up and see which one of the 2 it is. I apologize for the noise. I really do. Ooh. Wow. Look at here. Look at here. This, I'm going to have to fight my other daughter for. Okay. It's beautiful, beautiful packaging. Here we go, right here. Okay. And this is a liquid liner. Travel tip number 4. Travel light, but pack a punch of color. If you're like us, you like to keep your look simple on vacation. So your travel bag should include something that can instantly take you from bland to glam. A bold liner or pop-in lip gloss can transform any look with a few swipes. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price on this product is $12. Now this one is a beautiful gold shade, and this is an eyeliner. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, nice. How about that? You can truly take that straight on up to glam. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous with beautiful packaging. I happen to like that very much. Okay, I'm gonna have to hide it. Okay, now the last product in this box, which is actually a duo, it's called the Deep Conditioner Travel Duo, and it's by the company Hask. Okay, and here you go right here. It says, travel tip number 5, treat your tresses before and after your trip. Okay. It says, summer's warm, dry weather can leave your dew extra dehydrated and distressed. Sink strands into these deep conditioning protein-packed treatments that help rush intense hydrators that where your hair needs them the most. Okay, so we have 2 of them. This one says it rehydrates and adds shine for dry, damaged hair. That's this one. Okay, and the other one, this one is orchid and white truffle. This one is coconut milk and organic honey. And this one quenches and controls frizz for all curl types. Okay, so those are the last 2 products that have come in this month's Onyxbox. Okay, now I would definitely like to tell you, if you would like to try out Onyxbox, we have a code in the description box below. And in that code, you will also be entitled to a discount if you are part of the Seasoned Beauties family. Okay? So, when you sign up, they will give you $10 off on your first box. So, I would encourage you to do so. Check it out. See what you like. Okay? So, that is the month of July's Onyxbox. Okay? And it's packed with these beauties right here. Okay? All of that right there. This beautiful blue nail polish. Okay? The lovely, lovely, lovely gold liner. For products for our hair and our skin, our face, and our neck. So, by all means, if you have liked what you've seen, by all means, hit that like button below. And while you're there, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, this is dried very, very nicely. It's not smudging. I'm rubbing pretty hard here. Still looking beautiful. Okay, so I do want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're in that general vicinity right there, go ahead and hit the notifications button so you'll be one of the first to know every time I upload a new video. I thank you so much for choosing to stop by and check us out here at Seasoned Beauties. Now, until next time, regardless of the season that you're in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. See you next time.